Hey y'all, it's Ty and Nikki, the power couple,
Here
and we just we just wanted to shoot another video to give you a little bit more insight and information about what we're doing. So now that we have launched our social media campaign and we have launched the website, we just want to tell you a little bit more about the forthcoming event, the Power Couple Marriage Experience, which will be taking place on Saturday, October 22nd. It's an all-day event from 10 in the morning till 10 at night.
For married couples.
Married couples. And we're excited about this event. So we want to make sure that you know that this event, again, is for married couples, and the cost is $125 per couple. So you don't need to buy 2 tickets unless you're bringing
Another
couples.
Amen.
Amen.
Yes.
And the cost will include your lunch, and it will include dinner for the couple. So we're excited to provide that to you. So you know what? Sign up if you are interested in coming.
Space is limited.
Space is limited.
Gotta move now.
There will be no tickets sold at the door, so we need you to sign up and register in advance. But if you're not able to come, if you live out of state or already have plans, or you feel like your marriage is in a place that you don't really need this event, we would love for you to share this information with those that are in your circle.
So some are asking, why did you invite us? Why you invite me if I'm single? Some of my family have asked, I'll come after I find a spouse.
Oh my Lord.
Now that's funny. Well, we didn't invite you because of that. We invited you so that you could be a part of our advertising team. Let's put it that way. We need your help.
Street team.
Share the news, share the event, share the webpage, share the Facebook page.
Absolutely. There's somebody in your circle that you know that needs this event. There are plenty of people that whose marriages are struggling, or whose marriages have plateaued and maybe stale, the married couple may be a little bit disconnected. But you know what? There are also couples in thriving, healthy marriages that are looking for ways to connect with other godly couples. And this is just that type of event.
This event will allow, wherever you are, an opportunity for you to minister from that place and to be ministered to in that place. We're going to be doing a lot of fun things on that day, one of which is dance. So, man, you believe you can learn something about marriage through dance?
Yeah, what about that?
Man, you want to be there to get this information. This has blessed us, and we hope it will bless you. Just one of the many things you can look forward to on that day. Also, that event is just for couples. We will not have childcare.
No childcare available. Sorry, I have nothing for the kids.
I'm sorry. We didn't make provision for that, but please find sitters. Don't bring your kids.
This is a date for you and your spouse. This is an investment in your marriage.
Yes.
So I challenge you, if you have not invested in your marriage over the last several months to a year, it is time to do so. If you have not read a book together, if you have not attended a conference together, it is time for you to invest in your marriage.
We invest in other things. We invest in our careers. We invest in our children. We invest in all areas of our life. But this one is one we've found that is always neglected. And so just this day, investing in your marriage will make a huge difference. Come visit with us. Find us on Facebook. Visit us on the website, thepowercouplemarriage.com. And we hope to see you there. God bless you.